So ours is large-scale additive construction for 3D printing concrete culverts, and we're trying to solve the issue of supply chain shortage of culverts right now, which is due to manufacturers being backed up, and they use traditional manufacturing methods such as precast culverts, which are made in factories. So we're trying to use a 3D printing robot machine to help fill the gap in service right now. We have our testing that we use to make sure they fulfill the standards, test results from the loading, the stages of the project, more figures of the test results, and then the stages of the 3-load bearing test we use to see if it can handle the crushing loads. And then this is piece from the crushing 3-load bearing test that we did. Top parts in coming groove, which we use to connect the culvert. And then these are our cylinders, which we use to help test the compression. And then this is another miniature model of the culvert.